So who doesn't want to look like the Victoria's Secret model's angel? So if you are into this makeup look, this video is for you. Keep on watching. Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Since tomorrow is the 15th of October and it will be the launch of the Victoria's Secret fashion show, I decided to create Victoria's Secret model angel makeup look. So if you are interested in this makeup look, keep on watching. Okay guys, and I had the best and glowy face ever. We have to start with prepping our skin. So I'm going to use this one, the Makeup Forever HD Skin Booster on all over my face, and then I'm going to use a cream under my eyes. So we are going to take 2 pumps and then apply it all over the face. Okay, so I'm going to use an eye cream. This is an Egyptian brand called Eva. I'm going to take a tiny, something like this. Okay, and then apply it under my eyes. Make sure to blend it well and leave it about 10 minutes to set, so when you apply the makeup it doesn't crease. Okay guys, so since I'm the one who always starts with the eyes, I'm going to use the concealer from Glam, the shade Gel, and apply it on my crease. I'm going to take a tiny bit, not too much, and then I'm going to blend it with a sponge. And repeat the other side. Okay, so for the eyes I'm going to use the Too Faced palette. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'm going to start with the shade Swan, this one, on a fluffy brush and apply it on my crease. Okay, then on a smaller brush, I'm going to take the shade Nude and start blending, applying on the crease. I think I had too much on the brush then, so I'm going back with the one with the lighter shade and I'm going to try to blend this out a little bit. I'm just giving a little definition to the crease, like this, not too much. Okay, so then I'm going to take this palette from Anastasia and I'm going to take the shade Dreamer, this one, and apply it on the crease. And don't forget for the inner corner to get that glow they had on the runway. Okay, so that's it for the eyes for now. Now I'm going to shape my brows. I'm going to go for a natural look, so I'm going to use this pen from Glam. Okay, shade 2. First I'm going to brush my brow. Okay, so make sure when you are filling your brows to make it look the simple and natural that you could ever do. don't overdo it, don't use heavy products. We want that natural look. And we will go for the same on the other side. And here is the final look of the brows. It's time for the foundation. I'm going to use this palette from Makeup Forever. And I'm going to use this shade. Okay. We don't want to overdo it. We want that something looks simple and glowy. So I'm going to take on the brush, not too much, and start applying on my skin. A very thin layer. As you can see, the difference between here and here is not that too much. It's just like lighting the skin a little bit. So I'm going to finish the other side and I'm going to come back. Okay, so here I finished the foundation. We are going to back another time for the finish of the eye. So we are going to pick up the concealer from Glam and we are going to apply it all over here and here. And leave it about 10 minutes to dry, then blend it out. Okay, since I feel like blending with the brush gives me a better result, I'm going to blend the concealer using the brush. This is one flat brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to do the other side and be back again. So here I finished blending the concealer. I'm going to take a brown shade, dark brown shade from this palette, this one. I'm going to draw a line that is so thin you can barely see it. They said that the Victoria's Secret model makeup artist used the brown eyeliner, so I don't have brown eyeliner. I'm going to use the dark shade of this brown eyeshadow and apply it as an eyeliner. Okay, so as you can see, so tiny and close to the lash line, and I'm doing it a little bit to the outside corner. Okay, so as you can see, something like that. I'm going to try to blend it with my finger, so we don't want it to be as sharp as it seems to be. So I did the other side. We are going to back to the shade nude another time, and we are going to apply it under the lid. Okay. Like so. And we are going to do the other side, and I'm going to be back again. Okay, so I'm going to take Cocoa, this shade, this one here, and apply it on the shade under the lid. On the shade nude I applied lightly. So don't take too much, just a tiny bit, and blend it well. Okay, so to finish up the eyes, I'm going to take Dreamer again and apply it on it. And also in the inner corner again. So you get something like this. Okay, since the inner corner here on the Victoria's Secret models is a little bit greener, I'm going to take this shade, okay, from Anastasia Moonchild, okay, and apply it on the shade I applied earlier. Okay, since the secret has been revealed that the Victoria's Secret model used, the makeup artist used red shade blusher. I don't have a red shade blusher, so I'm going to use instead a red lipstick, and the one I'm going to use is from Deborah. Okay, this shade is 9, so this will be my blusher. Okay, so here I apply the red blusher on both sides, and let me tell you, I did this makeup before, but I used pink blusher. The result with the red one is more better. It give the skin a vivid look. I don't know if you can see, but you have to try it yourself so you could know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now it's time for the mascara. I'm going to apply this one from Essence. You will always see it in my videos because this is my favorite, and it's also at drugstore, so I highly recommend to use it. And don't forget the bottom lashes. Okay, so here is after applying the mascara on the upper and the lower lash line. So the last step before applying the lipstick, that I'm going to set my makeup using powder. Okay, since I don't want the makeup to look cakey, I'm going to use a fluffy big brush, and I'm using the Air Spoon powder. I use Charlotte Tilbury, but I don't have it, so if you have it, you can use it. So I'm going to take a little bit on the brush and apply it here on the forehead and on the bridge of the nose, on the T-zone especially, and a little bit here, and some here. So I forget to tell you that I had a moisturizer lip balm from the beginning, so I'm going to remove it before starting the lips. So I'm starting with a nude lipstick to line the lips. So you get something like that. Okay, for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Opera palette, and I'm going to use the shade, 1 minute please. I think it's 207, something like this. It's like an orange peach shade, and I'm going to apply it on the lips. Okay guys, here is the final look. I hope you like it and you enjoyed today's video as well as I did. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments what do you think and what do you like to see next. Thank you. Bye.